in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Levy County in northeastern Illinois, Beloit County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 9 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Beloit to near Sugar Grove to near Yorkville to near South Streator, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 90 miles per hour with gusts and 2-inch hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Severe thunderstorms will be near Aurora and St. Charles around 8 p.m.
Naperville, West Chicago, Shorewood, Warren Hill, and DuPage Airport around 8:05 p.m. Wheaton, Carroll Stream, Plainfield, Lisle, Bloomingdale, Crest Hill, and Winfield around 8:10 p.m. Bolingbrook, Downers Grove, Lombard,
Romeoville, Addison, Glendale Heights, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, Lockport, and Darien around 8:15 p.m. Elmhurst, Elk Grove Village, Homer Glen, Hinsdale, Lamont, Burr Ridge, Oak Brook, Westmont, Villa Park, and Bentonville around 8:20 p.m. Orland Park, Tinley Park, O'Hare Airport, Melrose Park, Maywood, Brookfield, Mokina, Franklin Park, Palos Hill, and Westchester around 8:25 p.m. Cicero, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Oak Park, Austin, Burbank, Oak Forest, Alsip, Belmont, Cragen, and Dunning around 8:30 p.m. Chicago, West Town, Lincoln Park, Chicago. This is Noaa's Weather Radio, KWest 039 Chicago.